How to make your own e-commerce platform for free. Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you make your own e-commerce platform for free without paying a dime. Now this is possible all because of Google Sites. So this is also a tutorial for people who haven't heard of Google Sites. Well, it's there and it's really convenient for when you are trying to organize events or trying to put up a site that's really simple and which provides simple information for your product or for the things that you do. Now, as you can see here, there are already templates available for you to choose from. We have here portfolio, an event, help center, project, or team. For portfolio, I think this one's really, it would come in really handy for when you are applying or for when you are a freelancer and when you're applying for a job. Maybe you can make your own site that has all of the information about you and about the works that you have previously done. And you can also go ahead and make a site for an event or a help center when there are natural disasters or project or a team. So it's really up to you what type of template you need. But for an e-commerce platform, unfortunately, they do not have that particular template just yet. Well, I don't think they will be putting a template for an e-commerce site because this is really not made for e-commerce. Yeah, for e-commerce, you guys. So let me just go ahead and start from scratch. That's what we should do, start from scratch because there's no other way around it. Now let's go ahead and click that button right there, blank. And we literally are going to start with just a single page over here. You can see later on. And that page will contain basically almost all the things that we, not almost all, yeah, if not all, at least the important things that the visitors should know about our site or our shop. Okay, so the site name would be Black Parade Streetwear, and then the page title would be Streets 2021 or yeah, street collection. I'm just adding the word collection right here. Okay, so now the thing is, adding photos to this page will actually make it look more personalized and more of your shop other than just a random site that you make. So what's good for it is to upload your own image. And now I have already downloaded sets of image. So let me just go ahead and input that over here. And then voila, I think this one looks really cool. Right, you can also add your logo over here, you guys. So now for the product, I think this one is too small. So let me just go ahead and change the layout of it. Or, okay, header type right here. Is it going to be a banner? I think I'm going to go for cover. So now this is how my page looks like, you guys. Okay, there you go. Just to make sure that it's in the center. Okay. There you have it. Now, what more can we do with the text? Because I think that it's not standing out. So let me just go ahead and try to change the font. Maybe the font is... There you go. I think this font looks cooler. And it looks like it's not out of place anymore. Now, for the next page, that's where we're going to put our products. So you'd want to choose a layout that's similar to like a list or something. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and try to choose that one. So now, what will your customers expect here? So let's put in some photos. Okay. Now for the first photo, let me just go ahead and choose this one right here. So basically, these are like 3 photos of the same product, and we're going to do that for the rest of the pages so that people can have like an angular view of your product. I think I suggest that you really have to put in a lot of photos, not only one, not only 2, but different photos under different lightings as well, just so your customers can see how your product will actually look like in real life. Now, the exciting part here is that how do we go ahead and make them buy these photos right here? They are just sets of photos. another thing that you should consider is this, or keep in mind, as I might say, is the button over here. But the button does the trick, you guys. It lets you link your shop to this particular page. Well, if your marketplace doesn't really offer this much personalization, I think that's the time when Google sites come in handy, because sometimes your e-commerce platforms, the platforms that you use, actually, for example, Alibaba, or what else, eBay, or Shopify, there's not much like creative freedom that you can do there. Like, for example, make your own page with your own layouts, your own colors, your own stuff like that. There's a lot more creativity you can do here than doing it on e-commerce platform like that. Well, basically, just go ahead and type in buy now over here, and what you want to do is put in the link of your shop over here. So once you've done that, once you put in a link right here, you can go ahead and check it. Once it's published, it actually redirects the viewer to the site that they'll actually go ahead and can buy the product. Now for this, I think I'm gonna go ahead and link my Facebook. Oh, for a while. Link the Facebook page for this one, which is right here in history, right here. So let me just go ahead and input that right here below. Insert. Now, as you can see, the button is already here. Let's put it right in the middle, and you can go ahead and now put in text 1 out of 2. Oh, 2 out of 2, I mean, 3 out of 3, things like that. And you can also go ahead and name it. The name of the jacket is actually like a tech jacket. Tech jacket. So let me just put it in here as well. Tech jacket, or maybe like another information about the product, like just simple words. Maybe we can put in waterproof, because it's actually waterproof. And what else? Nylon taffeta. It's made of nylon taffeta. I'm not sure if it's double F or double T. Something. Taffeta. Oh, what is it? Double F? What? Yeah, it's double F. Anyway, so this is how your e-commerce platform will look like. Well, I'd love to add in more pages, but let's just go ahead and try to check it out. Guys, remember, it's important that you put in a link here, because once you click the link, it will actually go to the shop, and there your viewers can buy your product. Wow, our site is looking good. So let me just go ahead and publish this. And I'm going to go with Black Parade Streetwear. All right. Let's view it. There you go. Our site is looking pretty dope, you guys. What do you think? So now let's go ahead and click this buy now button and see if it actually redirects us to the page. It does. So this is listed in Facebook Marketplace. That's why now you can go ahead and view the product. They can go ahead and chat with the seller immediately and then arrange for shipping. So that's basically it, you guys. That's how you can create your own e-commerce platform using Google Sites. Well, I suggest that before you dive into this process, or before you actually go ahead and list your item, it's important for you to have like good sets of photos, because these will be the lifeline of your site. Without good photos, you guys, I assure you, you're gonna mess up your site. So what you want to do is to go ahead and pick right photos, pick good photos, do a photo shoot if you might, and maybe use your phone, because phones nowadays, they really have good quality cameras. And tell me what you think while you're going through the process down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.